Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to actually fix lag spikes and lag in Fortnite. Now it's a very easy process, just simply follow along and make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now let's get right into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up your Fortnite application and from there log into your existing Fortnite account. Now from there you go to the top right corner right here, you press it and all you have to do is go to the little cogwheel right here. Now what this will do, it opens the settings and here you can choose these settings. Now once you're in the settings there are a few options to choose. Now the thing that we want to use is the V-Sync. Now make sure that this is turned off. Now here you see the frame rate limit. Make sure that it is turned all the way up to unlimited. So right here push the button and make sure that it is set to unlimited. Now from there simply press apply, and what this will do, it will make your frames per second, the FPS that you're running, unlimited, so that your system will get the maximum amount of frames possible so you don't experience any lag. Now if this tutorial helped you, please subscribe and like, but most importantly, thank you for watching.